Nourishing Deep Conditioner visibly repairs signs of surface hair damage. Dove Nutritive Solutions Intensive Repair Deep Conditioner nourishes damaged hair. Hair conditioner formulated with Keratin Repair Actives, helps repair damage deep inside hair and is suitable for use as a deep conditioner for damaged hair. Deep hair conditioner that makes hair feel smoother, helps detangling and improves manageability. Gives both instant hair repair and nourishment and progressive results with continuous use. Suitable hair conditioner for daily use. Packaging may vary. Looking for a deep conditioner for damaged hair? From styling to changes in the weather, our hair goes through a lot every day, but with the right products you can have nourished hair, inside and out. We've created Dove Nutritive Solutions Intensive Repair Strengthening Conditioner to help smooth, visibly repair damage, strengthen against breakage and progressively nourish with continued use to help give you hair that feels as good as it looks. Directions. After shampooing, work Dove Nutritive Solutions Intensive Repair Deep Conditioner for damaged hair between your hands and then apply to wet hair, smoothing it in from mid-lengths to tips. Make sure every strand is covered by combing it through with your fingers and then rinse it out. This nourishing conditioner is suitable for daily use. Top reviews from the United States. Soft and shiny. I love how this inexpensive shampoo and conditioner cleans my hair and makes it feel soft and smooth.